My name is Evangelos Levas. I live in Lexington, Kentucky. I go by Angel. My mother and dad married in Crete and came to the United States, to Lexington, and raised 3 children: myself, my sister Helen, and my brother John. Well, it was 2013, and after a colonoscopy, they found a flap that the surgeon suggested that it be removed. And in less than a year, I developed a hernia right on the incision. I went to Dr. Roth, and he explained to me that there was a new device that could be implanted to cover the hernia that would be absorbed by the body after about 2 years. I'm an alum of the University of Kentucky. I'm a graduate. I'm an ROTC graduate. I'm a big supporter of the Art Museum and the Fine Arts. It's been about a year since the hernia surgery, and I feel great.